Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class what I'm just gonna teach you, that we're just gonna type and code and again code in the whole course, throughout the course. So what the basic thing is required, we just need a notepad or actually any kind of pad editor to code our program or design our program or edit any program. Basically for doing anything inside a program we just need a code editor. So guys, how much code editors are there? There are a lot of code editors like the HTML pad, the HTML pad, the simple notepad which is in the browser, which is in the Windows already, or the notepad plus plus, or the Sublime, or the Adobe Dreamweaver, whatever you prefer. If you just like the black screen as a theme, then you should use the Sublime. If you just like the white screen editor, then you should use the notepad plus plus or the notepad. After all, throughout this course, the complete course, we will use the notepad plus plus for all of the programming languages, or we can use the Sublime too for some reasons. So by the way, what I'm just gonna do for now, I'm just going to the browser. But before going to the browser, why not I just go to the folder where I'm just gonna create a file, the HTML file. So I'm just going to the master project, which is there, and now there is a file named pads. I'm just going inside this folder, not the file, sorry, the folder. Okay, and there I'm just gonna create my first ever file. So what to do, if you're just about to creating an HTML file, so let's just right click on the folder and just go to the new, and after going to the new, let's just click on the text document as I clicked, and now you can see that the simple new text document. That's not a problem, just click anywhere. So guys, what we will do with this file, we'll do nothing with this file. Actually we just won't type any coding in this file. Just why? Because if I just open the file and actually I just go to the properties of the file, then you can see that this file is based on txt, which is not the web format, not the HTML format. So if you just want to work on the browser or the web or the HTML, then you should choose the appropriate format or the extension for the HTML. So let's just click on OK or close it, and then just open the file. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything, but I'm just gonna open the file, and I'm just directly going to the file, and I'm just going to the save as. I'm not saving it again, I'm just going to the save as. And then you know that when I just save as the file, then it's asking me for the new name and the file type, okay, to save a new file. So what I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm just going to the save as type, and I'm just changing the file txt extension to all files, because I'm not gonna save the file in the extension of .txt. I just want to save the file in the .html format. And what more is required, I'm just removing the new text document here and just simply typing the file name. The preferred name for the index for the HTML on any programming language, basically from the browsers, the preferred name is the index for the home page or for the main page. Okay, if you just type your file name as index.html or the index.php or whatever name you want, or the programming language you want, but if the name is index, then what the benefit you can get, basically you just don't need to type the file name in a browser if the file name is index. Okay, browser automatically loads the index. For example, if you just go to the google.com, or if you just go to the yahoo.com, so the page they are showing you without typing the file name is the index page, or index php, index.asp, index.html or whatever, but that page must be the index page or the home page. So just considering any page as the home page, we should type its name as the index.html or the php, whatever format you want. So right now, you know that I just changed the type from the txt to all files, so I'm just going there in a file name and just typing index.html, because we just want to make a file on the HTML, so the format is the HTML for the HTML pages or the HTML files, and just click on the save. And now we are not in the new text document, because we are just basically on the index page. If I just close this, now this file is just totally rough for us, so let's just delete this file, the new text document, because index.html is everything for us. You can confirm that the file type is index.html to go into the properties, and there you can see that the file extension .html, which is basically required. So let's just click on the OK and right click on a file and click on open. Okay, now we are in a browser, because the file format is the HTML, so HTML means the web language or the web file. So we are in the browser for now. Okay, now if you just want to make some additions in the file, you just cannot type anything in the browser, as you know. So we just need to go again back to the code editor. So like, let's just right click on it, and now if I just click on the open, then it will send me back to the browser, but I just don't want to go to the browser again. There is a format that edit with notepad++, but I'm not gonna do anything with the notepad++ because still you just don't know about the notepad++. By the way, I just need to go to the open with and just click on the notepad. If the notepad is not in the list, so let's just click on the choose default program, and then you can choose the notepad, by the way, from that way. And for now, if you just want to put anything, for example, you just want to type like my name, the Shazib Kamal, and let's just save it and go to the browser. And now it's not updated, however we just saved the file. Let's just click on the save again, but it's not there until I just refresh the file. Now when I just refresh, I got the latest update. Now for example, I just delete the file and save that back. Still there is nothing. You can see that what is required. Let's just refresh it. Now the deleted things are not there anymore. So let's just back, and I'm just gonna update the file with my partner, the co-instructor Joe Parry's name. Saving and refreshing now, the Shazib Kamal and the Joe Parry's. That means everything is going fine. Well guys, in the next class I'll just guide you about the notepad++ too. I think that it will be not typical to understand, because the basic thing to create an HTML file, I just guide you. And if I just go to the folder, you can see that the file is there. Now file size is 1 KB. It means there is something inside this file. So guys, we'll meet in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.